Second up on the board for today is the opposite of courage is conformity. So, a lot of people think that the opposite of courage is fear, but it actually takes some amount of fear in order to be courageous. Because if you aren't afraid, then what are you fighting against in order to be courageous? So, conformity is the true opposite of courage. Because with conformity, you deny your own unique thoughts, feelings, experiences, so that you can go with the crowd, not make waves, make it easy on everybody else. But in the meantime, you're the one who's suffering. So it is courageous to stand up when other people are sitting down. It is courageous to speak out loud when those are being silent. It is courageous to show your uniqueness in the sea of unremarkable.